I say, what's wrong?
This car is coming up as a misfire. I've changed the coils, changed the plug, and it's still misfiring. So we thought at the end the injectors are faulty. So I took these two injectors out, same way, they find spring fine. Now I've got these two injectors out, 3 and 4. So you can see with the ignition on, it's already leaking the fuel. If I put the ignition on, you will see how it will spray. But because it's petrol, a bit flammable, so I'm going to show you with this. Come this way. So press, spin it. See, it's still, I turned it off and it's still spraying.
That was no good.
Yeah, see, can you see?
So what was the fault on it?
So that injector is faulty, you can see.
It's still injecting.
It's still injecting, when the car is off, it's still injecting.
But what
it does, it fill up the cylinder and the car smokes really badly and it's run really bad. And it's really, look, see, it's still, look, at the moment it's still
Still working.
the car is off, it's still injecting. So that injector is faulty, so I'm gonna change the injectors.
But it did come up on the diagnosis,
Even though-
low fuel
even
pressure,
though,
innit?
look, it's not even connected.
Yeah, it came with low fuel pressure, didn't
low
it?
Fuel, yeah, it came up as a low fuel pressure. Look, because it's still not even injected, connected it, and without even connected, it's still pissing the fuel.
And the other one's fine.
Yeah, the other one is stopped. Look,
All right.
so the injector is faulty. You need to change the injector on it.